We're here today at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram located in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2017 Ram 3500 limited edition. Stock number is CP15746T. This is the limited edition, which is right in that same realm as the Laramie. Does have the chrome grille, high intensity lights, tow hooks in the front. Does have the very nice alloy wheels on it. Mopar running boards. This does have the Cummins turbo diesel with the automatic transmission. Chrome door handles, trailer tow mirrors that are in chrome also, and chrome molding around the bottom. 8-foot bed with the dual wheels. We do have a rear backup camera on this, as well as the trailer tow package and park assist. It is equipped with the trailer tow package for a fifth wheel or gooseneck, with the wiring already hooked up into the bed. Overall condition on this truck is good. It's been used. It is a used truck. On the inside, we do have the leather seating with memory seats. They're heated and ventilated. The trailer tow mirrors do have the switch that bring those mirrors in. If you just push a button, they'll come in. You push the button and go back out. If you're in a tight place, that's a very nice feature. The mirrors are heated. We have automatic headlamps, of course, power windows and locks, tilt, cruise, and steering. Power steering. The limited edition has the bucket seats with the fixed center console. And it does have adjustable pedals, so that brake pedal and gas pedal will go in and out to make it a little more comfortable on where you sit in your seat. Step bars make it nice to get up into. Do have some storage area underneath the back seats with a fold flat floor. Underneath the floor mats, there are 2 storage boxes, one on each side. Store some items in there. Getting up inside now, I'm sitting in the back seat. I do have heated seats in the back. Like I mentioned, heated and ventilated seats in the front, heated steering wheel. Does have a trailer brake control on it. 8.4 touchscreen radio is where your backup camera will display when you're in reverse. Cruise control there on the steering wheel. There is an information center on the center stack in front of the steering wheel that gives information about the vehicle, as well as there's information on the radio itself for different settings and so forth. Got the electronic 4-wheel drive system that has 2-wheel drive, 4-lock, and 4-wheel drive low. Interior condition on this truck is good. The limited here has the saddlebag type storage areas behind the seats, kind of a different look. Got a 12-volt access in the back. The radio will you'll also have hands-free communication. Uconnect for your phone, so that you don't have to pick up your phone to answer it and so forth. Again, we're here at Sherry Chrysler, located in Piqua, Ohio. We have a nice selection of commercial vehicles, used and new. For more information on this 2017 Ram Limited 3500 4x4 dually, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.